considered, motions in limine that might have gone further than necessary at this stage of the game. But the big one is, will that third-degree murder charge be reinstated? If so, when? And how do you think it's going to play out? Get out your crystal ball here.
Well, should it be reinstated? I think no. The facts as we know them right now do not support a third-degree murder charge. And should they present themselves during the course of the trial, then the prosecution can amend. I don't think that the Court of Appeals is going to stay this matter indefinitely until the Noor decision can ultimately be resolved. I just don't think that that's feasible, and I don't believe that it is the right course of action. I think the facts of Noor can even be distinguished with the facts here too. I think that the defense is right that it shouldn't come in, but crystal ball, I guess. Yeah. I don't know.
Let me flesh out the Noor decision, because I think it is important as people try and figure out how this little wrinkle might affect this case. There was some confusion in that case. The police officer shot the complaining witness/victim thinking it was somebody else. So there was an identification issue, which can sometimes be appropriate in a third-degree murder case. That's the whole concept. You were just acting in a way against a group, not really sure who you might injure. In this case, it's a little gray because Noor didn't know who she was or who she might be. Okay, I kind of get that, but in this case, there is no question who was on the ground and who the defendant had his knee on the neck and head of. It's not even close, not even a close call. Why do you think the court in Noor, this is the appellate court, there was a 2-1 decision, three justices deciding the case. Why do you think they went out on that limb?
I think that it was because it was a shot fired, and there could have been other people around. I don't know that there was in this particular case, but it was in an alley, I believe. So it's presumably a residential area. I think that you could strain an argument to support finding a third-degree murder charge in Noor. Here, the pressure is applied to someone's neck by someone's knee. So you're not putting anyone else in jeopardy at all in that case. So I think that that is where I think that the distinction is. So was Noor rightly or wrongly decided? We shall see. But I do think that the facts are distinguishable here.
Yeah, Counselor, I agree with that analysis. I think that's how they were able to reach to get a decision that they ultimately wanted. We'll see how that stands up and stacks up. Hey, Christa, thank you so much. Christa Ramey from Los Angeles, thank you for being here. I appreciate your insights and your contribution. Good to have you. I hope to see you again.
Thank you so much. Thanks for having me.
You bet. That's going to do it for me, Michael Bryant. I'll see you next time right here on the network. Don't forget, the case against Derek Chauvin continues tomorrow. More jury selection.